Hey everybody, Chris here from the Protocase team with a new Proto Tech Tip. And today we're going to cover HeatSet Inserts for your 3D printed parts and enclosures. Our mission at Protocase is to make the custom parts you and your team need so that you can keep your prototyping and product development on track. You've got critical deadlines for your projects, and you don't want to have to wait weeks to turn your designs into reality. That's why we offer a really fast lead time of 2 to 3 days and a one-stop shop with a huge variety of processes, materials, and components. Your design is just that. It's yours. So we want to make sure that we have the capabilities and materials on hand to make your custom part exactly as you require it in the exact quantity that you require. So as I mentioned, we are a one-stop shop. We have CNC machining, sheet metal fabrication, custom gaskets, and 3D printing. Now for 3D printing, we just started stocking HeatSet Inserts, which are small metal tubes that are threaded on the inside and knurled on the outside. These inserts add threads to a 3D printed part so that you can install bolts and screws. Essentially, with HeatSet Inserts, you are creating a really strongly fastened 3D printed part or enclosure that can easily be assembled and disassembled. Now you may have heard HeatSet Inserts being referred to as threaded inserts. HeatSet Inserts are much more useful for your 3D printed design compared to using a traditional screw and nut because it's more efficient and it's practical. The threaded portion remains in the 3D printed part, and the nuts don't have to be installed or removed. With sheet metal, we install self-clinching fasteners by mechanically pressing them into the corresponding hole in the metal. Now, we just can't use the same method for installing inserts in 3D printed parts because the 3D printed plastic cannot withstand that much force. So, we use heat. HeatSet inserts are installed using a soldering tip, which softens the surrounding material in order to hold the insert in place. Once the insert is installed, the plastic that surrounds the insert is locally stronger and creates a really strong bond between the metal insert and the thermoplastic. We stock brass HeatSet inserts that are both long and short. The type that you choose will all depend on the geometry of your 3D printed part or enclosure. Our website lists all of the key parameters for each of the HeatSet inserts that we do stock, including thread size, hole diameter, depth, and more. We've got a link to that below in the description. Now, in the end, we are here to make your prototyping and product development as hassle-free as possible. If you're interested in using HeatSet inserts in your 3D printed designs, but want some guidance, just contact us. Our goal is to help you get your work done quickly so that you can keep your projects on track. Everything we covered in today's Proto Tech Tip video is on our website, so check out the description below for a link to our HeatSet Inserts page as well as our 3D printing page. Now, if you've got a design in mind, whether it's machining, sheet metal, or 3D printing, reach out to us for a price quote. Use our request a quote form on our website or email us at info@protocase.com to get connected with your Protocase account manager. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this week's Proto Tech Tip, and we'll see you back here again next week.